Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today we are taking you on a scenic road trip from Chamarajanagar to Bengaluru. We are about to cover some picturesque stretches through the heart of Karnataka, passing through the towns like Kolegal, Madur, Chanpatna, and via Tumkur Road. So sit back and enjoy the journey with us. As we head towards Kolegal, the lush green landscape opens up. The rolling hills on both sides, dotted with small farms and cozy homes, makes this stretch one of the most beautiful in the region. The roads are decent, but do expect the occasional potholes here and there. It's a smooth ride nonetheless. We are now approaching Kolegal, and as we drive closer, we can see the skies darkening. And just as we arrive in this town, a little drizzle starts. Nothing too heavy, but it certainly adds to the charm of this place. The roads are little slick and we need to be extra cautious as the drizzle makes everything a bit more slippery. But the views are amazing, guys. You can see the rain coming down in a gentle drizzle now, and the countryside is beautifully shrouded in mist. The roads around Kolegal tend to get a little more winding, so it's perfect time to slow down and enjoy the view. You can even hear the rhythmic sound of vipers as we make our way forward.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things
Now we are approaching Madhur, which is known for its bustling markets and lively atmosphere. The rain has slowed down a bit here, and we are back to driving through open highways. The drive through this town is a breeze, with occasional sights of local eateries and people going about their day. The road quality improves as we approach Madhur, and we start picking up some speed again. As we leave Madhur behind, we are heading towards Channapatna, and the skies are clearing up and the rain has completely stopped. The sun peeks out a little, casting a golden glow on the road ahead. This part of the drive is smooth and fast, as we are on well-maintained highway that connects several major cities. And we are at Channapatna, and this is known as a toy town of Karnataka. And as we pass through, we can see several stalls selling vibrant wooden toys that the town is famous for. The roads are wide and the traffic is light as we drive in, passing by some beautiful farmlands and small shops along the way. We are on the final stretch heading towards Tumkur Road, and the excitement is building up. We are almost at IKEA Nagasandra. The roads are excellent here, and we can see the city skylines in the distance. After a scenic and peaceful drive, we are finally heading into Bangalore. And here we are, folks, IKEA Nagasandra. What a beautiful ride it has been. Despite the rain in Kollegal, from quiet countryside lanes to smooth highways, this has been one memorable road trip. As you can notice, there is an hectic traffic near Nagasandra. This indicates that we are in the Bangalore city. Thanks for joining me on this drive, and I hope you enjoyed the journey as much as I did. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more road trips. Until next time, happy travels. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.